Today we're showing you a Case IH Maxxum 110 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive cabbed tractor, has approximately 2,500 hours on it. Comes with a Case IH L740 quick attach front loader. Tractor was traded in locally here. It's a good, solid, good running tractor. Has a skid steer style hookup here for your bucket connection. The tractor was in normal everyday use when we traded it. They simply were updating to a newer Maxxum tractor. The tires do show a little wear, but they certainly have quite a bit of life left yet. You got a little bit of surface rust here on the exhaust panel or the exhaust shields. Certainly not a new tractor, but it certainly is a good tractor yet. Has the Firestone Radial tires on it. PTO button back here. The 3-point hitch is the only thing we can't get to work, so this tractor will be going to Case to get that repaired. So other than that, I don't know of any issues, but again, that will be resolved. Has the 540N1000 PTO capabilities. Dual remotes back here. Work lights, rear wiper, everything's there. Engine is completely pre-emission, has no DEF, no DPF, nothing of that sort. It's a nice, clean tractor. Again, traded in locally. You can see a little surface rust here in the bottom of the door as well. It does have the buddy seat here. Air ride seat for the operator. Has the tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Loader control right here mounted onto the seat. Shift controls over here to the right. You have high-low range and then an 8-speed power shift within each range. You shift the power shift with the little toggle right here, and then on the display there it's going to tell you where you're at as far as what gear you're in. your remote levers over there to the right, and then also your four-wheel drive and differential lock switches. 3-point is down here beside the seat. PTO is there behind you. Light switches in the post. On this post you have your climate controls. Up top you've got the radio. It does also have the visibility roof in the top of the cab. Again, local trade-in, absolutely no known mechanical issues other than that 3-point, which again we are going to be sending that to Case to get that resolved. The tractor is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it is selling as is, where is. If you have questions, please feel free to contact us. We can offer shipping anywhere here within the U.S. At a cost. Simply just give us your zip code. We can easily get you a rate. Also can offer low-rate financing for qualified customers. And again, this tractor is completely pre-emission with no DPF and no DEF.